That burst of citrus freshness with a kick of ginger and that effervescent lemon mojito vibe, that's exactly what we are vibing with today. Hi guys, it's Shreya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, we're going to talk about a very beautiful citrusy freshy fragrance, and this one is called as Imagine from Nuana House of Luxury. As the name suggests, this one is inspired from Louis Vuitton's Imagination, and let's dive deep into what this fragrance is all about. So before we begin, make sure that you've subscribed to my channel, you hit the bell notification, and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So before I talk about the nitty-gritty details of the fragrance, just wanted to give you an idea about this brand. Nuana House of Luxury is an Indian perfume brand, and their name Nuana is derived from a Sanskrit root Nu plus Nirvana. Now, they believe in clean and minimal fragrances. Their perfumes are free of paraben, phthalates, artificial colorants, and dyes, good quality perfume oil, and the best part, they are macerated for around 4 to 5 weeks. So, you never get that initial alcohol blast when you receive these fragrances. So let me start off with the packaging on this one. It comes in this white and rose gold color box with all the details about the perfume and the brand written right here. And then it also comes with a reusable perfume pouch where you can of course store your perfume, but also it is kind of like reusable for other stuff, keeping stationery and stuff like that. Now the bottle in here is a nice thick glass bottle with a light blue label on it with all the details mentioned here. Transparent glass so you can see how much perfume you've used, a textured cap with golden rim which is very tightly fitted, and a very good atomizer. And this is how the atomizer sprays. I really love the way it sprays and diffuses the product. Now this perfume is a rich, citrusy, clean, luxury, soft, woody, warmth kind of a fragrance. That's the vibe that you get here. If I have to define it in a specific vibe, I'll say this is like a lemon mojito with minty freshness, ice cubes, effervescence of that soda, but it does not have sweetness. It has a kick of ginger, a touch of ginger in this. It is soft, spicy, zesty, fresh, and screams summers. Perfect everyday casual wear, perfect office wear. This is the kind of fragrance that smells expensive but with subtlety. It smells classy, sophisticated, well put together. This is the kind of fragrance that will make you look and feel expensive in the crowd, you know. And it's a very safe blind buy, by the way. It's not something which is offensive in nature. Very safe blind buy. If you're a perfume beginner, this may be a good freshie to start your journey with. Let's talk about the notes breakdown on this one. It has a very zesty, bergamot, citrusy, mandarin orange kind of a zest opening. Then it goes into neroli, kick of ginger, light spices, which kind of brings in that slightly spicy, clean, elegant vibe. And then it has black tea, ambroxan, and woodsy notes. This kind of smells like a very clean air. When you go into a hill station where there is no pollution and you're just absorbing the nature and you're like taking a nice deep breath of fresh air, it kind of feels that way. It's very refreshing, very relaxing, something which just kind of helps you calm down your senses. Now, since it's a freshie and it's not a loud fragrance at all, around 10 to 12 spritz or sprays of this fragrance gives me a longevity of 5 to 6 hours. I have to overspray this fragrance for it to perform because freshy fragrances don't stick very well to my skin and onto my clothes. So any freshy fragrance I have to overspray. This is no exception. And I go about with 10 to 15 sprays of this one and I get about longevity of 5 to 6 hours. The projection and sillage is moderate to soft on this one. It's, like I said, it's a soft and a subtle fragrance. Not every fragrance has to be loud or headache inducing or has to be present or has to be dominating. Some fragrances just linger. They stay around you creating a good scent bubble. They are not noisy. They are not loud. They're very sophisticated. They're calm. They are soft, but they get the job done. Okay, this has that clean, fresh girl vibe to it, which makes me feel very expensive and very well put together and very sophisticated. All I want to say is instead of spending 10,000 to 20,000 on Imagination by LV, let's just go and buy this one and see how the scent profile is. And if you are a die-hard fan of the scent profile, go and splurge that 10,000. But this is a good affordable luxury, something that performs well without making a hole in your pocket. Alright, so that concludes today's video. I hope that you enjoyed watching it. By the way, this was my last video on Nuana House of Luxury perfumes. I have done individual reviews for each and every perfume that Nuana House of Luxury has, unless they have released more which I am not aware of, but I've almost done around 10 perfumes and this is the last one in the list. I'm very happy that I've put in that dedicated work and given all the reviews to you guys so that you can choose and pick and choose and see each of the reviews. Also done reels and short length videos on these, so please, I hope that you support, hit the like button, and you watch the other videos. I've already made a playlist for Nuana perfumes, so if you are only interested in Nuana perfumes, I have a playlist for you. I got you, girl. I've sorted everything, is consolidated for you. Okay, so please help me out by supporting me. Subscribe to my channel, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.